Okay, let's do example 9.1 from the book. What we're supposed to do is determine the moment of inertia of this triangle with respect to its base. Okay, so remember, moment of inertia only makes sense with respect to an axis. And so what this is saying is the moment of inertia with respect to, come back, little pen, with this axis right here. So generally we would call that Ix. So what is it? It's integral of y squared dA, right? That's just what moment of inertia is. Now, you'll notice, we drew a nice little horizontal strip. So we can define this dA as what? It's just as the area of this differential strip is base times height, right? The base, in this case, is going to be, we'll call it, actually, call it L, the length of from here to here, which is right here, right? There's already on there. We'll call that L. And the height is, in this case, dy. Okay, so if we want to know the Ix, Ix is integral of y squared times L dy. Now here's the problem. We need to know what L is with respect to y and h and whatnot. And in this case, we know it. So we put some of these helpful terms. This is just by using similar triangles. You can go through and convince yourself that this is true. But we're going to start with this first one. So this L, jumping around. L over B is equal to h minus y over h. Right? So it's saying that this triangle right here is similar to the big triangle right here. Is all that's saying. Fair enough. Okay, so let's go through and figure that out. We want to replace L. So L is equal to B times h minus y, all that over h. So therefore, Ix is integral of y squared times L, which is B over h times h minus y, all that times dy. And what are we integrating it from? Well, since it's a horizontal strip, we're going from 0 to h. So we're going from 0 to h of that. So let's pull the constant out. So it's equal to b over h integral from 0 to h, and let's multiply this through. It's hy squared minus y cubed, all that times dy. So that's actually a pretty simple integration. So we have b over h times h over 3y cubed minus 1/4 y to the 4th. All this from 0 to h. This is 0 to h. And that gives you b over h. And this ends up being h to the 4th over 3 minus h to the 4th over 4, which gives you that Ix is 1/4. So one of these cancels out with each one of these. These become to the 3rd power, right? So you have bh cubed over 12. So Ix of this triangle is 1/12 bh cubed.